Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I am going to try to make a smudge sticks. I received these flowers about a week ago, and I just saw a smudge stick, and I really want to try to make these into a little smudge stick. I've not done this, and most of the time the smudge sticks are made of white sage and rosemary. I don't have that. I just want the look of the smudge stick because I think they're very beautiful. I went outside and just cut some little weeds, in which they say weeds they're not weeds, they're flowers that no one wants. So let me get this off here and see if I can do something with this. Okay. And I think I just need to make a little bouquet, which, I love the sunflowers, so I'm definitely having to keep that in. And maybe, like, I think I want to put the sunflower out for now. And maybe use just a little bit of these little flowers first. And see if I can just kind of taper it down a bit. Put in a few of my little weeds, flowers in there. And maybe one of the little roses, because it's about to wither away. And then I will put the sunflower like that. And now, since it has to be kind of, I don't want it too long, so I think I'm going to just chop it off here. And I got this little knife that I don't use, so I'm going to try to chop it off right there if I can. Woo! Okay. I think that's cute. I think that'll work. And what I know is that you have to tie the ends. So I'm going to try to keep the leaves. I don't want the leaves to go away, so try to at least get the leaf in there. And I'm going to tie this end off. There. That's cute. And now you're supposed to begin like a wrapping type deal. So I'm going to just take a little string here and try to get enough that I can make a nice little wrap here. And start wrapping at this end. So I'm going to just kind of hold it up and start wrapping this. Let me move those strings out the way. Start wrapping. Putting my sunflower in, which I probably should have put the sunflower in before I tied it off. Well, this is just a trial thing, trying to see if I could do this. And I'm going to go behind this and try to wrap it. Try to get that rose in there. Okay. Well, I ran out of string right there for some reason. I thought I had more string than this. Let me try this again. Seems like I need double that amount. So let's try. I'm going to just string off a lot this time. And let me see if I can cut this sunflower down a bit. I won't need that stem. That's a big stem. Okay, so now let me put these over here because I'm not using this. And I can't stand when my areas start getting messy. Okay, so now with that out the way, I want these two to go down, is what I'm thinking. And with my new string, I'm going to start wrapping. So then I have 3 strings kind of hanging down here. And now I will start kind of wrapping, getting this wrap going. Oh, with so much string. You know what? Let me just grab it up so I have all of it in my hand. Hopefully it won't tangle. And try to wrap this. Okay, this is kind of working out. I want to definitely get behind my sunflower, and I want to go across that rose there because I want all of the rose pieces to kind of stay intact. And then I'm going to just kind of go around all the way, almost all the way up. Now I have quite a bit of string up here. As you can see, this is kind of getting, and I'm going to go back down this way. I'm going to try to go back down, get that rose. I get that rose twice and go under this sunflower, and there. That, it kind of worked out for me. Now, you know what? Let me see on this stem part, because I really want it to look really cute there. Now, someone sent me some lace in Happy Meal, so I think what I want to try to do is maybe add this lace in on the end there. Well, I might need to go a little bit bigger than that. So I'm going to just cut this and see if when I'm coming down this way, if I can just cover this end up maybe. I might just cut a little bit more of that end off though. So, see if I can do this and how it would look. Okay, that doesn't look bad. I kind of like it. Now I would take and try to tie these ends off somehow. I have a lot of ends and don't quite know what goes where. One more. I'm going to try to tie these all together. There, so that's the first one. That's kind of cute. I like it. I like how I got the rose in there. I was able to get that. So now I'll just kind of let it hang out here with me. And I have enough to make another one. So let's see. I'll put that one at the top. this time, and then that one, this one, this one is going to be a little bit bigger. Let me put this up in there too. So before I go any further, to get as many in as I possibly, and see how that rose is turning already. Yeah, I'm thinking I have to get it in before the leaves start falling off, so maybe I can kind of like capture it all in to one thing. And so, oh, I forgot to add my little weeds in there. And put this one in, that sunflower there. And now I'm going to use this little piece that I had as a little scrap piece, and I'm going to tie it off with that piece. So I'm hoping that I'm staying in view. If I'm not, I'm terribly sorry, because I'm trying to pick it up and turn it different ways and things like that. There. Now, this time I know a little bit better, so hopefully I can do a little bit better. Ooh, you hear me? I am really going through this, actually. Those stems get kind of tough. Okay. Smooth this down and get plenty of string this time. What would probably be helpful if I like made this into like a little bobbin. This time I'm going to try to put the little lace on there first. Let's see, it might fit this way. Yeah, I think it would. I don't know. I just want to just get it across there, just like that. I want some of the bottom to hang out this time. The little stem at the bottom, I kind of want that to hang out. And where is my string? Here we are. I'm going to start wrapping here. Uh-oh. I am into my petals and they are falling off, which they probably will just fall right off anyway. I am deliberately trying to capture as much of these flower petals as I possibly can. So I am going to start going back and descending on this. Try to keep that leaf in there that's trying to fall off. I'm like, nope, don't go anywhere. I want to keep you in there. What happened down here? It's untangling. Okay, so let me see if I can recapture this here. And I'm going to twist it in the back because it should have been twisted. So I'm going to just do like a little twist thing here because it was coming loose. There. And I think that has it. I ended with a nice little piece there. There. Cut that off. And I like it. I like those little smudge sticks. They are pretty cute. And I'm going to put those in my little tray there. I have 2 smudge sticks that I've created using my old flowers bouquet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.